Hello, friends. Today, Max and I are walking in the jungle. The jungle is green and full of... I feel excited and happy. I like the jungle. I smell many new things. Max is my best friend. He is clever and kind. We always explore together.
Wait, Max.
I hear a sound. It sounds sad. Let us listen carefully.
I hear it too. Someone needs help.
When we hear a sad sound, we should try to help. Oh no! A baby monkey is stuck. He looks scared.
Do not worry, little one. We are here.
When someone is scared, we should speak softly and kindly. I am pulling the vines. They are very strong.
Let me try too.
When something is hard, we should try together. Oh, Max, you found something. That rock can cut the vines. This is going to be amazing.
Yes, that is my plan.
Nick, when we think, we can find solutions. I am cutting slowly and carefully. Now he is free!
Good job.
Thanks, Max. When we are careful, we can help without hurting. Goodbye, little friend. Stay safe. We are taking the baby home. His mother is waiting.
I like helping families.
Asleep. Helping others makes us feel good inside. Goodbye, little friend. Stay safe.
Come visit us.
Kindness always comes back.
I believe that.
Max, today we helped someone. That makes me proud.
Me too, Leela. We make a great team. Me too.
When we work together, we can do big things. Friends, today we learned something important. When we help others and work together, we become stronger.
And happier.
Thank you for watching our story. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.
See you next video. Bye-bye.
Bye.